Want to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Now log into your account. On the main screen, tap on the swap option. Under UPay section, you want to select USDT. Now on the You Receive option, you want to enter TRX. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert, for example 5 USDT, and Trust Wallet will show how much TRX you'll receive. Now go ahead and tap on the swap option. If the direct swap option doesn't appear or the tokens aren't showing up, then you can head over to any web browser and go to pancakeswap.finance. Connect your Trust Wallet by tapping on the Connect option at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and select Trust Wallet from here. Once it has been connected, from here set USDT as the token you pay with and TRX as the token you receive. Then enter the amount and confirm the swap. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.